Welcome to Beere Precision Products. Hi, I'm Tom Beere, Sales Manager for Beere Precision Products. For the past 40 years, we've been making screw machine products, and one of our past problems has been the expense of removing cutoff burrs. As you know, the weight of the part causes the part to fall before the tool can reach center. This leaves a cutoff burr, or tip. It's hard to believe. Some people are still deburring this way. Obviously, deburring in this method doesn't do a great job and it can damage your part. Some people still use the grinding wheel. Pretty scary. The parts you manage to keep in your hand usually end up looking like this. You can face the part off in secondary and it does a decent job. It just takes too long. And finally, probably the most popular way of getting rid of cutoff burrs is the V-block and sanding belt. The problem with the belt sander is that it's dangerous, it's dirty, you can wear grooves in the belt, and you can take too much off the end of the part. This can cost you time and money. Now that I've shown you the unsafe, slow, and inefficient way to deburr parts, I'd like to show you the safe, fast, and most productive way to end cutoff burr problems. Introducing the Beere Precision Products TipShear, 1/16 to 1 inch and 1 inch to 2 inch. Here's how they work. The 16th to 1 inch TipShear uses a V-block assembly with 7 V-blocks, square, and wrenches included. There are two main concepts to keep in mind: parallelism and perpendicularity. Use the square to set the V-block assembly perpendicular and parallel to the wheel. Now simply repeat this step with the part to be deburred, making sure the center of the holes on the wheel are lined up with the center of the part. Parts are precisely deburred as fast as you can place them in the V-blocks. Time studies have shown up to 2,400 parts per hour is achievable. The 1 to 2 inch model includes all tools and bushings needed to begin deburring. Simply bore the bushing to the OD size of the part to be deburred. For example, the part I have been deburring has a 1 3/4 OD. The bushing is then bored to slightly over 1 3/4, providing a loose fit. Simply insert the part in the bushing to perfectly deburr the part every time. The 1/16 to 2 inch model covers the entire spectrum of parts. It includes both V-blocks and angle plate with bushings. The TipShear is built to last with hardened steel helical gear transmission and permanent lubrication. The 1/3 horsepower 115 volt motor allows plug-in operation anywhere. Simple fixturing makes setup easy with the versatility to handle small diameters or step shafts. TipShear is also safe. No sharp edges or pinch points. The reversible motor gives the TipShear a double lifespan. Just reposition the V-block 180 degrees across the face of the rotating shear. The wheel itself is made of tool steel hardened to 62 Rockwell, allowing up to 75,000 cuts per direction. To resharpen, loosen 3 screws and face the shear wheel on a surface grinder to get virtually thousands of additional cuts. Order your TipShear now. TipShear will pay for itself in productivity and saved scrap parts.
Beere Precision Products. For more information on the Beere TipShear or any of the other Beere highest quality time-efficient products, call 1-800-348-0101, fax for 632-8142, or write Beere Precision Products,